What's going on, everybody? Sean from Premier Outdoor Living here, and we're going to talk about how to attach and secure a joist to the deck ledger. So come take a look. This part is fairly simple. What you're going to want to do is make sure that you install a ledger that's at least the same size, can be bigger than your joist. So here we have a 2x10 ledger and 2x10 joists. What we like to do is we'll get our ledger installed, and then as we're installing our joists, we'll just tack them up by toe-nailing them in, and then we'll go back later and add our joist hangers. So this does a couple things. It makes it go a lot quicker because we can just tack them up with a couple nails, go back and install all of our joist hangers later, and we can ensure that the top of our ledger and the top of our joist are in a perfect plane. So it's a little bit more difficult if you pre-install your hangers and then try to install your joists. You might have a little bit of inconsistency. This foolproof method, super easy, and make sure that you're getting the right fasteners for that joist hanger. When you buy the joist hanger, it'll tell you exactly what type of nails or screws you're going to need to secure it and make sure it's safe. So that's pretty much it for attaching your joist to your ledger. Follow these tips and you'll be good to go.